have you been? It's been a while since our last video, so here I am as a treat, as a gift, as a return gift to all our subscribers and to all our viewers, doing a video of one of the key features in Revit, which is solar study. It is very interesting and very useful, especially for students of architecture, students of interior design, even engineering, and of course very important for architects in presenting their projects. It's a very easy process which will take a few steps. Please join me in this short video. Hope you like it. So in this video, once you're done with your Revit model, you'll be able to generate a solar study based on the settings that you will set up. Okay. So you need to have a 3D view. In this case, we have a 3D view of the basketball court area in a in a mixed-use project. So this is a mixed-use. This is a residential area where there will be a community facility, which is the basketball court. And as you know, for Filipinos and for basketball-loving Filipinos, it is very important to know where the sun is to properly locate to properly orient your basketball court so that you will be able to maximize use of the sunlight during the day. Okay, we need to have our 3D view set up. Ideally, we can use consistent colors as the graphic display. You can also use realistic, but it will take up so much time and memory in your project, so I do not recommend it. I recommend to use consistent colors, and you have to have the sun path on. Just continue with the current settings, but you can of course tailor fit it to the actual location of your project. In our case, we'll just continue with the current settings, and you have to have the shadow on. Alright, so in the sun settings dialog, click on the single day solar study, and we'll be using the current date. As of now, it's the summer solstice in the location, the default location of Boston, Massachusetts. Right? So we'll be using today's date, and we'll have a video, solar study video that shows the shadow and shades from sunrise to sunset. Each frame will be shown as in an interval of 15 minutes. Just click apply. Okay. Once you've set it up, before you export your solar study, you can preview it on your screen by clicking the sun icon right there, and this will come out, your play button, and you can see how the solar study would go from sunrise to sunset. So that's the preview. Once you're happy with the preview, just go to File, Export, and Images and Animations and Solar Study. You'll have this set up. So by default, it is giving it frames per second to 15 frames per second. wherein you'll have only a 4-second video. So I'd like a longer video, so I will be having 2 frames per second. So that will be like a 30-minute video for my solar study. And I'll just accept the format right here, and I click include time and date stamp, and click OK. Before you export, before you produce the solar study, it's important that you set up your rendering dialog. So in my case, I'll keep it to medium and at least 300 dpi. That's a good setting already. I'll close it. Then now I can export solar study, which by default will have this resolution 1829 by 11, which is good enough, right? So we'll have 1 frame per second. We'll have a 1-minute video, include the time and date stamp, and click OK. Save the file. Save the file in your preferred location. Solar study. 60 seconds. Save. That should be processing now. For those who are watching this video, I'd like to thank you for continuing your subscription and for liking this video. Please share it with your friends and colleagues so that more can benefit from these tips. Please don't hesitate to comment on don't hesitate to send your messages in the comment section below. And I'll be very happy to respond to those questions if you have any queries regarding this topic or any other topic in Revit. Please do the same for the other videos that we have in this channel. We have a full playlist of the basic architecture and structural tutorial for Revit. So if you are a beginner or if you're interested to learn Revit for your projects, for your career development, you came to the right channel. Please subscribe and please like the videos and share them with your friends. The video is now processing around 28%. You'll see the end product in just a few minutes. You can do the solar study not just for exterior use, you can do it for interior use, and you may include your artificial lighting and see how it blends with the solar shading in the respective view of your project. And of course, you can have the full rendering as long as you have computer which can accommodate the memory required for high resolution renderings, and as your project requires. I think that's done, and let's look at the video. From sunrise to sunset, that's how the basketball court area would be accepting shadows in that area. So it's a good place to have the basketball court. Also, the sun path is going from east to west, and our orientation of the basketball is north to south. So there's no issue in glare. When you are playing basketball, you don't want the sun to block your view. I mean, to distract your shooting angle, so that you can hit the target right away. Let's play it once again. With that, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you on the next video here in our channel, ARIS BASA.